Hi guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to transfer Toncoin from your Bitget wallet to your Binance app. So the first thing you have to do is to launch your Binance app. This is the interface of my Binance app. Then tap on portfolio, or sometimes you'll see wallets there. Any of them is okay. So when I tap on my portfolio, it's going to take me to this section. The next thing I have to do is to tap on add fund. On add fund, it's going to take me to this section now. So I'll tap on deposit crypto. So let me tap on deposit crypto. On deposit crypto, I'm going to go to this section. Then the next thing I have to do is to search for this currency called TOM. So I'm going to type in TON to search for TOM. So let me type in TON. Then now it's going to bring out the list of different currency, but I'm looking for TOM. So now I'll tap on my Toncoin. That's the first one there. So when I tap on it, it will take me to this section. Then I'll select my network, which is Toncoin. Then after selecting my network, the memo and wallet address will pop out this way. So I'm going to copy each of them, copy the address, then take them to my Bitget wallet. On my Bitget wallet, I'll tap on wallets. On wallets, I'm going to tap on send. So on send, I'm going to select Toncoin. Now I'm going to paste my address on the deposit address wallet there. Then the amount is going to be the second one there before my memo. So it's going to require me to go back to my Binance and copy my memo, come down and paste it at the last option there, last box there. So the memo is the